Hey guys, this is Thomas from CNT Racing. What I have here is our new Subaru WRX 2015 and Up STI or WRX quad axle-back with the 4-inch muffler. Let me give you guys a close-up look. Made with T304 stainless steel. Bolts and gasket are included. Quad 4-inch tip. This is our silver tip setup. We also have the blue tip. The muffler is 4-inch. This one is a little bit quiet compared to your traditional muffler delete. Okay, let me give you a close-up look of the wells. The wells are very clean. Let me give you the look on the inside of the piping. You see where the piping connects to the flange. It's very smooth, as you can see. This exhaust is available from our website at cntracing.com. Thank you and have a good day.